Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Yoga with Lisha. I'm Lisha, the heart behind Om Yoga and Wellness. Today we are going to practice a beautiful sequence with very easy asanas for PCOS and PCOD relief. It's a beautiful morning yoga stretch that will definitely benefit you. Let's start with a short centering. Sit comfortably, roll back your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Nicely deep inhalation and exhale completely out as you relax your shoulders. Inhale, roll back your shoulder and drop it down. Try to imagine or visualize a flowing water. It can be a river or waterfall. One more deep breath. Slowly exhale out. Now we'll do one Om chanting together. Join your palm. Inhale. Feel the energy and slowly blink open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Let's go ahead with the first practice, which will be cat and cow. So come into all fours, and now from here you will inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, look towards your chest and push your back up. Inhale, dip, press your spine. Look up. Exhale and push. Feel like you are creating a wave. Exhale, feel the movement. Inhale. Exhale, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. And down. And come to neutral. Now from here, we will move like a circle. So you can come kneeling down, or you can also stand up, or you can do it in sitting also. How we will do? Sit in Vajrasana. Now from here, interlace your palm, lift it up. Inhale, lengthen. Now from here, exhale towards your right and slowly will go forward to the side and up. Right, forward to the left and up. Keep moving. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Last one, exhale, inhale. Now we'll go to the other side. Bend towards your left. Exhale, forward, inhale, and up. A beautiful spinal movement. Exhale and inhale. Try to keep your back straight. Don't hunch. Keep the stretch all around. And last one. Exhale and stretch. Exhale and release. Take a nice deep breath. Next posture that we are doing is a very easy and beautiful one. So coming to butterfly. Now from here, join your feet together, lengthen your spine and just keep flapping. See, if possible, try to touch your knee on the mat. Lengthen your spine, chest out and flap. for 5, 4, 3. You can close your eyes and enjoy the stretch. 2 and 1. Now slowly. Now gently stop the flapping and just bend forward for a beautiful lower back stretch. Try to keep your spine straight. Avoid doing like this. Push your chest towards your feet. Stay there for 3. Breathe. 2 and 1. Inhale and come up. Beautifully done. Next, we are moving into dynamic bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana. For that, lie down. Now from here, engage your belly. Pull your belly in, engage your core, hip neutral. From here, press into your heel and push your hip up. Squeeze your buttocks, lift it up. Exhale, slowly down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Squeeze. And release. Last one. Inhale up. Stay here. Hold the posture for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come down and relax. Next asana we are going to do is Viparit Karni. So lift your leg up. If this is difficult, what you can do is you can move close to a wall and place the leg on the wall. Okay, it's a very beautiful relaxing practice. So I will show it how to do it on the wall. Place your feet on the wall like so. Okay, now if possible, if you can lift your hip up, only then, don't take a risk. Only if you think it's possible, gently press your heel against the wall and lift your hip up by taking your heel one more step up. So you're creating an inclined surface with your body. Now stay here. You can support your hip with your hand if you have that flexibility and strength to hold your hip. Stay here. If it is possible for you, you can support your hip with your arms and stay here. Feel the inward flow of the blood. Breathe. Last 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, inch by inch, one vertebra at a time, drop your hip down. Now, if you are on the wall, slowly come back. And if you are doing it on the mat, slowly bend your knee closer to your chest and relax down. Lie down in Savasana, palm facing upwards, toe pointing outwards. Relax here. One more breath. Now slowly bend your knees, roll towards your right and come up. We are done with the session and we'll do a closing breath. Now it's an ocean breath. How it's done is you have to close your ear with your palm, gently, don't press it. And then you will try to contract your throat to create a hissing sound. So you inhale and exhale with the hissing sound. And as you close your ear, you will feel that beautiful wave sound inwards and outwards. Okay, so let's try it out for 5 rounds only. Close your ears, relax your eyes, and you can observe for 1 round and then start doing it. Inhale.
Exhale. Continue for another 3 to 4 rounds.
Slowly relax. It's nothing but a variation of your Ujjayi breath, a beautiful practice to activate your thyroid gland, and also very calming. Take a nice deep breath, join your palm for one Om chanting to close the session. Inhale. You can repeat this affirmation mentally. My body flows with ease and balance. My body flows with ease and balance. My body flows with ease and balance. Slowly blink open your eyes. The beautiful smile. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Hope it helps and you like the session. If you like the session, do hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel to show your love and support. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.